This is the dual charger I bought. It's a dual charger for GoPro batteries. I have a GoPro Hero 6 Pro and I have two batteries. I received this and I have my own cable that I prefer, so I will use mine. This is a U-Green cable that I love. I recommend to you a lot this brand. Okay, let's try. These are two original GoPro Hero 6 batteries. I put it here and here, and let's see if it works. You can see it is possible to use micro USB or a USB-C also. I have an older micro USB, so this is what I'm going to use. Okay, perfect. There is charging, both original GoPro batteries with no problem, and both batteries are charged in less than an hour. It worked perfectly.